What I got here is my Victorian Onyx. It's just a small one. They sell these on sale down here at Canadian Tire for like 10 bucks a piece. It's just got 4 blades on it. It's got a flathead screwdriver. It's got your can opener, your bottle opener, your little Phillips head or small flathead, big blade, small blade, and it's got a key ring. It's also got toothpick, and of course on this side it's got your tweezers. So this is a little video for Mike's challenge. We'll post this after a couple of days, and I'll show you what I do with my little Swiss Army. Just going to sharpen up my knife a little bit. I want one of them apples. That's what I want. That big one right up there. It's pretty friggin' yummy. Okay. Got a bruise on it, but I got it. Yeah, what do you know? Swiss Army knife. It's a pretty big apple. And very tasty. Yummy.
Yummy ham with my Swiss Army knife. Onion. Your ham's tucked away. Watch your fingers because it's sharp. What you can do with a Swiss Army knife. Pickle eggs, to go with it. Homemade pickled eggs. Yummy. Ham dogs. Yummy. Ham dogs and cheese. And onions and pickled eggs. Talk about some scribbling diddly umptious eating. My fingers, my mouth, my food. I apologize for the fingers, but hey. Here we are. Got the high quality lunch right there. Served with the use of a Swiss Army knife.
Uses of my Swiss Army knife. Yummy breakfast sandwich. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Breakfast time at the paintball field with my Swiss Army knife.
Using my Swiss Army. Try it anyway. I got a couple of different pieces of wood here. I got a piece of popple that I'm going to split. See what it looks like down there. So, I don't know if I'll use the popple or the white birch. Not sure yet which one I'll use. One of it. You can baton with a folder, it's not recommended, but you gotta see how it's working. The popple looks like it probably makes a pretty good spoon. I think that's what I'll use. It's going to be easy to try, that's for sure. We'll get carving away on this, and we'll be back to show you the results after it's down a little bit. Shaping up more into a spoon now. We'll keep carving it down, keep working away at it, a little bit at a time. Again, Swiss Army knife with a blade. Oh, folks, looking more and more like a spoon all the time. Coming. Takes a little while. Bit of carving. But we get it down there. Get it dug out. Getting better and better all the time.
There it is, folks, the finished version. My spoon.